Tuesday recap: XRP experienced a slight decline of 0.14% on Tuesday, following a 1.13% loss on Monday. The day concluded with XRP trading at $0.4973. SEC versus Ripple: insights and updates this week. Investor attention remained focused on the ongoing SEC v Ripple case, particularly amid speculation surrounding a potential settlement. Notably, the Southern District of New York proceedings calendar highlighted a scheduled SEC versus Ripple final pretrial conference slated for April 16. Despite hopes for a settlement, Ripple's chief legal officer, Stuart Alderete, provided clarity, stating, "There seems to be some confusion regarding the next steps in the SEC versus Ripple case." To clarify, Ripple is scheduled to submit its response to the SEC's penalty request by April 22, with the SEC's deadline for a reply set for May 6. Furthermore, there will be no final pretrial conference due to the dismissal of charges against Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson. Our analysis underscores the unlikelihood of an imminent settlement, given the substantive arguments presented in the SEC's opening brief. Key legal considerations and implications: Alderete outlined pivotal filing deadlines, with Ripple required to submit its opposition brief to the SEC's opening brief by April 22. The magnitude of penalties for violating U.S. securities laws hinges on several factors, including pre-complaint XRP sales to U.S. institutional investors, post-complaint breaches, and any subsequent sales to U.S. investors, alongside the extent of financial harm incurred. In its defense, Ripple may invoke legal precedents such as Morrison vs. NAB, emphasizing limitations on the SEC's jurisdiction over non-U.S. transactions. Demonstrating minimal U.S. investor involvement and financial impact could substantially mitigate potential penalties. Market analysis and forecast: XRP's performance on the daily chart reveals a precarious position below the 50-day and 200-day EMAs, signaling a bearish sentiment. A breakout above the lower trend line could fuel bullish momentum towards the $0.5739 resistance level, while a breach below 48 cents may prompt further downside towards 45 cents. Similarly, on the 4-hourly chart, XRP remains below key EMAs, accentuating bearish sentiments. A breakthrough above the lower trend line could encounter resistance at $0.5361, while a dip below 48 cents may precede a descent towards 45 cents. In summary, ongoing developments in the SEC versus Ripple case and broader crypto-related news warrant careful investor attention, as they may significantly influence XRP's trajectory in the coming days.